Good morning, my name is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Maryland. Today we're going to show you our brand new 2018 Scout Dorado 275. This one is powered by two 200 Yamahas back here. We've got our swim platform. Come back to our drop down entry, which makes things quite easy. It makes it easy to get kids on and off, fish on and off. Our dual fish boxes are right here. They are insulated and drainable. Bring my seat back up, and I'm going to turn this from fishing to family just by dropping my different benches out. And I've got that all the way around my cockpit area, so I can go straight from fishing to family. I've actually got a refrigerator here, a sink here. I do have a grill option from the factory. Moving forward, I've got my dual captain seat, so both whoever's in charge and whoever is navigating have the same comfort. That tends to be a really important thing. Because this is family friendly, I have a large below deck storage that'll accommodate skis, boards, any amount of storage that you need. Because we're going to have our kids or other people out here, we have a good sized head here. And that is a pump out head with a sink and also has natural lighting. Our electronics are going to be by Garmin. They are going to be factory installed. All of this is actually done off of a C-zone system, so we have remote control for all of our power. Moving forward, we've got our bow seating area, which incorporates a table. So that way we can hang out and relax. We've got a nice little cooler so we don't have to get up and go back to the fridge, because we're not always going to be fishing and we may want to beach up somewhere. In addition to our windlass anchor, we also have a bow boarding ladder, which is a unique option for us on this. So we have boarding ladders fore and aft to make things a whole lot easier. This boat is loaded with features I haven't even begun to go over yet, because we're going to have a lot more fun going over this on the water. My name is Chris Whitman. I'm with MarineMax Maryland. I'd like to get you out on the water.